Hi everyone, today we are going to be celebrating Dot Day with different types of lines. I've already cut out a few different types of lines from construction paper. This is going to be your first step, is to cut out different types of lines from construction paper. I have a straight line, a wavy line, a zigzag line, and here I have my spiral line. So you are going to cut out at least three different types of lines from construction paper or any other colorful type of paper. Then you're going to need a circle. You can either have a circle piece of paper or you can trace a plate or something like that on a piece of regular paper and then cut it out. So you're going to need a circle. Then we are going to be making our line sculptures three-dimensional or 3D, which means that they're going to pop out. I'm going to put my lines in any way I want. I'm going to start by gluing with just a glue stick part of my line down. Just put a tiny bit of glue. Remember, you don't need too much glue. And then I'm going to glue it down. Push it really well. And then I'm going to fold it over. And I think I want to glue mine right there. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Tuck it over so that the glue glues the two pieces of paper together. And look at that. I already have a three-dimensional line sculpture with my wavy line. Now let's glue my zigzag or my spiral line down. I want my spiral line to be able to pop up in the air. You saw how when I pulled it up, it was pop up. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here instead of putting it all along the back side, because watch, once I press my glue down, I can even kind of fold my spiral. It's called coaxing. It means that you're just kind of wanting it to stand up. You're kind of encouraging it to stand up. Now look, if we look from the side, we're getting even more 3D. Now I'm going to glue a straight line, but just a tiny bit of glue. And I think I want my straight line to start underneath my spiral. See how I tucked it underneath there? I think I want it to start underneath my spiral. And then I want it to actually go under my spiral like that too, so that it's actually going to pick up my spiral. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue over here just because it's crossing. And then glue it down. Uh-oh, it fell off my spiral, but that's okay. I'm going to just tuck that in there like that. Look at how three-dimensional my sculpture's looking. I'm going to put my zigzag line on. I want my zigzag line to do some extra zigs and zags, so I'm going to fold it. So if it's folded, let's fold these ones too. You can see in the air it's a zigzag as well. So let's glue part of my zigzag down. I think I want it to zig this way and zag this way too. And I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the bottom. Keep going off camera, sorry. And glue it down like that. Tuck them together. I think I need a little bit more going on down here, so I'm going to take one more straight line, but just a dot of glue, glue it down. I think I want it to go underneath this line, and then maybe also underneath my spiral. It'll help support my spiral a little bit. Put a little glue where I want it. Push it down, and look at how my three-dimensional line sculpture All right, I'm excited to see yours. Remember, you're using at least 3 different types of lines.